Hey everyone, if we need to send an email to many people at once, whether for work, school, announcements, or a small business, Gmail makes this simple when we do it the right way. Today, we will show how to send bulk emails using Gmail while keeping our messages organized, professional, and within Gmail's sending limits. The main reason to send bulk emails on Gmail is to save time and share information with several recipients at once. Instead of sending individual emails, bulk emailing lets us send updates, reminders, or promotions faster and more consistently. When we use features like BCC, contact labels, or mail merge tools, we protect recipients' privacy, reduce mistakes, and keep our emails professional. Knowing how to send bulk emails directly also helps us avoid spam issues and make sure our messages are delivered. Let's see how we can send bulk emails through Gmail. Now follow me because I will teach you step by step in the simplest way. So even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open your browser, go to your Gmail account, and log into your account. Once logged in, go to Gmail. When we are ready in Gmail, click Compose. Click this Compose button. Next, click BCC. This is important for sending to many people without them seeing each other's addresses. Add the recipient's email addresses. For example, we can use our own email as a sample. By doing this, each person will get the email separately. Now, add the subject and message. We can also attach files or anything else needed. After that, click Send. Now, everyone will get the email separately, not as a group message. And that's how we send bulk emails on Gmail using its built-in tools and by following best practices. We can communicate with many people efficiently and professionally. Always remember to respect email limits, protect recipients' privacy, and send only relevant content.